All right, real quick, I'm going to show you how to test. Hopefully this will help you out a little bit quicker. Here's the website you will be using. I will add this link to the video here so you can click on it. What you want to do is you want to come down to test administration right here and click on that. Now you're going to hit start new session over here on the right. Click that. Now up here you're going to see the session ID number. You're going to write that on the board. Now this differs for everybody, so what might be for Mr. Rossi will be different for Miss Murrow. So just make sure you know this is not the same for everybody. So please write down what's on your screen. Next, you're going to take the NJSLA field test. And we're going to do math because that's the first session we're doing tomorrow. We're doing math the first 60 minutes, English second 60 minutes. Click on math. And depending on what grade you're testing, what kids you have in your room. So if you have 9th graders in here, you want to click on that. If you have 9th grades in your class, and that's it. Let's say you have juniors and sophomores and seniors. You're going to click the end of course session right here. And all 3 of these you want to click. As soon as you click it, it goes over to the right, as you can see. So depending what kids you have in your first block, that's what you want to move over. So as soon as you're ready to go, you're going to hit start active session. And I can't do that now because of the tickets. Students aren't ready, but I do have it set up where we're going to go up to the practice exam. So same thing with the practice exam. Just pretend we just did everything we just went through. Just ignore this right now. Okay, now I'm going to hit start active session. So this is where we are. We're going to start active session. Now here I am. This is a student's Chromebook. This is what they're going to see. You want to go to the apps right here. They do not log on, and you want to go to secure test right here. All right, this is going to load. Right now, cue the elevator music as we're loading. Great, awesome. All right, right here, the students are going to put in their, when you have your testing tickets, this is where their ID and information is. They're going to input that. Since I don't have a ticket, I'm just going to go as a guest. So here we are. This is where after students log in, they're going to come to this. Now there's that number that I showed you up at the top. They're going to want to input that number right here. So it's 38C93. And then you're going to hit, the students are going to hit join session. Then they're going to select what grade they're in. Let's say they're in high school. All right, and we're taking math, so they're going to click on the math. And here we go. Now it says waiting for approval. Now if we go back to your session, any second now you will see an active session here popping up. Might have to hit reload. Let's see. Yep, there it is right there. You might have to hit refresh if it doesn't, but there's that student right there. They're waiting for you to approve. So you're going to click on that. You'll see all the students pop up. They can't take the test unless you approve it. So just come over here and click approve all students. Hit OK. And now the student is ready to take the test. They're going to hit begin test now, and then you will see the first problem coming up. I hope that helps. Good luck, everybody. We will be here for you. Thanks.